remember, this is a simple trick. So our trick starts with a person in a dark night wears a goggle which is having A shape and goes into jungle or towards the garden. So V shape goggle means it's a vitamin A, and wearing goggle in a night make you blind. Already there is darkness. So night blindness is the problem of vitamin A. So I think it is clear, vitamin A, night blindness. Then that person stumble upon a plant or berry. So next vitamin is vitamin B. Now first it is so B1, and plant is a berry, so it's a berry disease or disorder. Then that person picks some berries and he took two berries in his mouth, at two corners, and try to bite them. This biting creates cracks at the corner of the mouth. So he tried to cover that cracks by a ribbon. Now there are some keywords. So ribbon means riboflavin. Next bit after vitamin B1, it's vitamin B2. Ribbon means riboflavin, and the cracks develop at the corner of the mouth is a deficiency disorder, and it is called riboflavinosis. Then now the situation is not good, so that person goes to home. It takes 3 hours for that person to go to home. So after this B2, it's a vitamin B3, 3 hours. And when he goes to home, he develops some signs and symptoms like diarrhea, dermatitis means skin related something, problems is, and he start forgetting also. Now these problems is called pellagra. Then he relax in the home further 3 hours. Now further 3 hours means total 6 hours. So 6 means it's a vitamin B6, which is also called pyridoxine. Then after 6 hours, his skin become very white and the dermatitis become more severe. So skin white means anemia and dermatitis become more severe rashes. So our deficiency of vitamin B6 creates this problem, that is anemia and skin rashes. So he goes to the doctor. Doctor says that we require to do some blood test. He takes the blood sample and keep it for testing. Immediately a blast is there in the blood sample. It's interesting, it's a weird, but this make you remember it more. So just imagine, whenever I'm saying this, imagine that is happening in front of you. So a blast is happening in the blood, minute blasts, and some cells start floating on that surface liquid. So it is megaloblastic anemia, and floating is folate. It's a vitamin B9. Then a report comes after further 3 hours from 9 to 3. 9 plus 3, it's a 12. So it's a vitamin B12, cobalamin. Now this cobalamin deficiency, actually report comes and report says it's a megaloblastic. Already we are knowing megaloblast happens, but it's again megaloblastic anemia. And because a lot of time has been passed, so some nerve damage is also seen. So this is written on the report. So it's a vitamin B12, cobalamin. And the prescription is given by the doctor that you should eat a lot of citrus fluid. Citrus fluid contain vitamin C. So citrus juice, citrus fluids is advised to be taken. And when that person takes the citrus juice, that person's gums start bleeding. It's actually thing opposite happens, and he feel a lot of weakness. So he thinks that now this is vitamin C and that these are the problem deficiency of vitamin C. Then he thinks that I should take some milk also because it contains calcium. So he takes a milk, and when he takes the milk, it he has some problems is related to bone. So osteomalacia means bone. Milk means calcium, calcium means bone. So that way correlation. And in case of children, it is rickets. Okay, so vitamin D, and these are problem related to bones, and because milk is related with bones. Then he thinks that uh, still the problem is not solved. I still feel weakness, so I require to take energy drink. So he takes vitamin E. It's an energy drink, which causes his muscle to gain some energy. So muscle weakness, this problem, he takes vitamin E energy for solve this problem. So vitamin E deficiency causes muscle weakness in short. And because he becomes so energetic that he start running here and there, and while the running here and there, he stumble on knife, K for knife, and he start his hand or somewhere cut happens, and he start bleeding. So bleeding problems, that is vitamin K. So this way it is, I mean, if you remember these things, I think you will remember because the things are very, very strange and funny. Besides, you will be able to recall also this information. You have to imagine as much as possible. So this is the way you can remember interestingly, funnily, the vitamins and its deficiency.